But let's imagine in our situation that you could provide us with a plain test case that we could easily bring in-house, and it made it very easy for the developer to identify the problem and come up with a solution for a fix. When a developer has a solution for the fix, she will first need to create that bug fix or that code change in the main code line first. Before the developer can promote her code into the main code line, we need to run a set of regression tests to ensure that the fix doesn't break anything else. Depending on which functional area that code change lies in, a subset of our functional tests is automatically selected for regression test. The developer, based on her knowledge of the code and her fix, can then also cherry-pick individual functional tests that you want to run as part of the merge process. At the end of the day, we will run all our more than 1 million functional tests on the main code line just to ensure that nothing has snuck in during the day. If you sum up the entire runtime of all our functional tests, it is more than 25,000 hours of testing. Imagine we have servers with 8 cores. You do the math. It means that we have more than hundreds of servers running in our farm just doing functional tests on Oracle Database. And the farm, that's just a fancy word for a lot of computers we have in OCI, a lot of compute instances that are running the functional tests for the developers. If the fix introduces a new problem, then the developer, she will need to fix the fix and then redo the entire process. Only when the functional tests reveal no regressions are the developer allowed to promote her change into the main code line first. The main code line here is the long arrow in the top. This is where we produce new functionality for the database and where we fix issues. Many years ago, we created a branch of the main code branch, and that branch eventually became Oracle Database 19c, which you could download and install on your servers. We did that again a few years later for Oracle Database 21, and very shortly we will do it again for Oracle Database 23c. Now, when the developer wants to create her fix, she is in between 21 and 23. So the next publicly available branch where you can get the fix will be Oracle Database 23c. And that is why when you look at the bug node, when the bug has been fixed, when there is a patch for you, you can see in the bug node, it'll tell you that this specific issue is now fixed in 23.1.